Hi, I'm so excited to talk to you this week about plants. We talked a little bit about plants with Willie last week, but this week we're going to be talking about something called the life cycle of a plant. Can you say life cycle?
Life cycle!
Great job. Okay, so a life cycle, where does that begin? It begins right here with a seed. Now, plants are alive. How do we know they're alive? Well, they grow and die. They need energy and nutrients. They reproduce, and they respond to the world around them. So let's start at the very beginning with the seed. Now, everything they need to grow into the plant they will become is right here inside of the seed. And the seed is looking for something called the right conditions. Can you say conditions?
Conditions!
Very good. What are those conditions? Well, air, warmth, and water. And once it senses those conditions are available, it will open up and begin to grow. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so that's the beginning of the life cycle of a plant. And once it starts to grow, now we have a seedling or a small plant. That's the next stage in the cycle. And after that, we have a full-grown plant with flowers. My favorite part, I love flowers. Now, once the flower opens up, it starts to grow a fruit. Do you love fruit? We think of fruits as things we can eat, but it also produces something really important in the cycle, which is the seed again. So that fruit falls to the ground and opens up, and what do we have inside? Seeds. What do we do with seeds when we eat our fruit? We spit them out, right? Well, the same thing happens when it opens up. Look at this walnut. It's pretty hard, right? This fruit is softer, but they're both protecting something really important to the life cycle of a plant. It's the seed. See that? So they fall to the ground, they open up, and they release that seed. Now, the last stage in the life cycle of a plant is that the plant dies. And that's really sad. We don't like to see anything die. These are my flowers, and I was so sad to see them die. But you see when they fall and they release these seeds, what starts all over again? The life cycle. And we get to see that happening all over the planet. And that's the one thing that is unique with the life cycle of a plant, is that it starts all over again. And it's pretty cool to see it all start over. New flowers, new plants, new fruits, yay! In your kit, you have the cards of the life cycle. So I want you to put them in order as the cycle goes so you can remember the proper order. Okay, so you keep practicing, and the next time we meet, we might put some seeds into a bag and see if they'll grow. All right, I'll see you next time.